Sorry. Make sure I get my face in this. I'm a fucking star, baby. Tinfoil, get out of my shot. Sick of this bullshit. Quiet on set! I'm just kidding. So, today we're doing a little Chipotle
Hashtag not sponsored.
mukbang slash paint with me slash I need to finish my Christmas gifts in time for Christmas. You can see my double chin. First, let's get into this burrito, though, because I'm super hungry. My hair is looking a fool. This is what mukbangers always do. This is a fucking awesome burrito. Let me just put my hair back up. Oh yeah. Look at that shit. Okay. I don't even care anymore. I don't. What are you guys doing for Christmas? I'm having a karaoke party / Chinese food party because we have a big, huge, like, shebang for Thanksgiving that by the time I get to Christmas, I'm like, can we just order Chinese food and, like, sit around and tell stories? Like, I don't know. I was told by many people that I should keep the burps in, so that's what I'm doing. Oh, so I have to paint 3 paintings, well 2.5 because I've gotten halfway through one of them, and I'm painting people's pets. Let me show you one finished one that I just did. This is my friend's dog holding her bear, well, his bear. It's abstract. You can judge me all you want. I'm not a painter. I'm not really good at, well, I am good at painting, like, flowers and stuff, but I'm definitely not good at painting animals. But I figured this would be cute, like, abstract, like, I tried, I don't know. Ugly paintings of your animals. I don't know. I also thought it would be nice and thoughtful to do something like that rather than, like, just buy them something off the shelf. I mean, I like buying things, too. I bought friends and family and stuff, but I like making gifts, too. I think it's sweet. You know? I also think it's kind of fun to paint. This is just water mixed with cranberry juice. Like, paint things in different colors, too. So this is a close-up picture of my grandmother's dog. Remember, this is all abstract, people. I painted her in pink because I thought that was cool. So we're going to finish this up. I'm not going to paint all my pictures for you because I doubt I'm going to get through that. I'm a slow painter. And with talking and eating, I know it's not going to happen. So I figured, let's just kill all birds with stones. Yeah, that's a saying, right? Kill all birds with stones. Just kidding, I love birds. So right now, I'm going to paint Dolores' eyeballs. The dog's name's Dolores. I named her. She was my dog. I had to give her away to my grandparents, though, because I couldn't find an apartment that would take her within my budget range. So, she has huge eyeballs. She's a Boston Terrier Pug mix. So her eyeballs bulge out of her head. So that's kind of the reason why she looks like a frog right now. So I've gotten a lot of compliments on my burps. Thanks. I think it's funny. I'll definitely leave them in. That's fine with me. I was just trying to be like a little bit more polite with the mukbang and less burpy, but hey, if that's what people want, give the people what they want, you know? Yeah, I really don't know how to paint. I mean, I do, but I'm not like fucking Picasso or anything like that. It's my interpretation. Nobody else's. Just mine. So yeah, we're gonna have a karaoke Christmas. We had a karaoke Thanksgiving, and that was a fucking blast. I bought a karaoke machine from Walmart. Best $100 I've ever spent. And it was just like one of the best Thanksgivings I think we've ever had. So much fun. See her bulging eyeballs? They're going to look better when it's like white and she has like eyelashes. Don't worry, she's not going to look fugly. Maybe. But I will need another bite of food coming up soon. I also have chips and guac too, which really fucking pumped about. My boyfriend bought me the burrito because he's amazing. Okay. Alright. While that dries a little bit, let's take another bite. I think I might do that. I want some chips and guacamole. How many of you dip your chips in the burrito? Because I fucking do. I can't get a burrito without chips anymore. Can't do it. So I also need to film a couple more videos this week too. I'm on like a little mini vacay. So for Christmas. So I also want to film a couple more videos. Let's see if that happens. I'm hoping I will. But they're surprise, bitch.
Surprise, motherfucker.
If you love Chipotle, raise your hand. I'm sorry, but Chipotle never does me wrong. I've never had anything like horrible at Chipotle. There was a time I ate Chipotle for 2 months in a row. I ate it for 60 days in a row. I was living by myself. I know how to cook. I'm a really good cook, but I just didn't want to cook. I was working a lot. And I worked right near the Chipotle, too. Like, that was the other thing. So I would get out of work, go straight to Chipotle, stuff my face, take a hot shower, and then go to sleep. Oh my god, yeah. Who else likes just like cola in a can? So good. Coke cans though. Or Coca-Cola from McDonald's. Girl, shit. Okay, one eye down, kinda. Next eye. So I'm doing my grandmother's dog, which was my dog at one point. My friend's dog that you just saw. And then I'm going to do my aunt's cat. She has a cat and a dog, but I'm only doing the cat because I don't have time. And then I'm doing my friend's cat as well. We had a painting and karaoke party last weekend, me and a few friends, and my mom and her boyfriend and my boyfriend. But I didn't do much painting. I did a lot of drawing, like sketching these paintings out, and then I did a lot of karaokeing. I didn't get much painting done. Karaoke is very addictive. Who else likes karaoke? Who likes painting? Comment down below. Like I said, I don't think I'm like a super awesome painter, but I really love painting. And like I don't think I'm super awesome of like half the things that I do, but I just love doing them, so I just fucking do them. You know what I'm saying? And they usually turn out alright. Not perfect, but nobody's perfect. Look at those crazy bug eyes! I gotta somehow make her mouth look like a mouth. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna paint in her eyeballs a little bit of white. Like a whitish yellowy mix maybe, because she does have a little bit of yellow in her eyes. So me and my boyfriend are thinking about going to Kohl's tonight because they're open 24 hours until I think Christmas Eve. So we're gonna go head over and do some late night shopping, which I think will be fun. Oh my god, I'm loving this now. It looks so good. Oh, hello. So good. Do you guys ever like hunch over and like eat burritos like this? Like, ah. Comment down below. What's your favorite thing about Christmas? Or the holiday season? I don't know what you guys are celebrating. Sorry, I shouldn't assume everyone celebrates Christmas because they don't. My favorite thing about Christmas is the music and family. I would love it if it would snow too, but it's kind of warm where I'm at right now. It's like freakishly warm. Okay, this is starting to look pretty fucking dope. I'm pretty excited about it. This one is going to be for my Nana. That looks cute. You can't tell it's a dog, though. I feel like it just looks like an alien. It's so close up, like the picture that I'm going by is so close up that you can't tell, like, if she has ears or if it's a dog or not. So, yeah. Right now it's giving me, like, sad pig vibes. Hopefully we can make it look like a dog. Good bite of food. Let's put some chips in it. Chippy chip is in it. Probably not a good idea to do this right over the painting. I don't know if I'm going to finish this burrito. I'm like the worst mukbanger. I need to build up my appetite. But I mainly want to get this painting done. That's really where I'm at right now. So I want to paint, like, eyelashes on her. But I don't know how that's going to work. Just looks like an alien with eyelashes now. I don't know. This is a failure. Oh, that feels good. That's what Mama needed. Ugh. I also like presents too, don't get me wrong. I love getting presents. Yeah, I don't know. This looks like just like a pig, I guess. This is turning out horrible. I think I made a mistake. Those are more downwards than upwards, but whatever. Whatever. Oh well. Dog-like? No. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that line is. Damn it! You know, it's kind of like what Bob Ross says. There's no mistakes. There's just happy accidents. Right? That's what he says, right? Because we're just going to make this into her gray hairs at the bottom of her face. This is just terrible. This is just turning out awful. It looked so good before. I'm putting this on the bottom because Dolores is going gray. So she has like little snowy patches on the bottom, so I thought that would be kind of cute, but this is not turning out like that. It looks horrible. Or maybe it is like Bob Ross says, there's only happy accidents. That's right. We're just going to keep the positivity flowing, and this will all turn out okay. It looks like she has a beard. But what if I just did a little... Why does this dog look like she has a straight up fucking Santa beard? I am so done with my... You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna give it to her like this. I don't even care. I have to paint the background a funky color though, so that's like the trademark of this all. So I'm thinking I kind of want to do a gray. I don't know what I'm doing. Or maybe this violet would look nice. I don't know. But I need to get a bigger brush and some more paint. I am not probably going to finish this burrito and all of this accoutrement. I'm sorry, this was a terrible mukbang. This is more like watch me paint and fail at it, but let's see what I can do here. I'm sorry, I can't help but laugh because this poor dog looks like she has a straight up beard. But, I don't know. It's my interpretation! Okay. I'm also going to paint the background with part of the background with this sponge. Just so I can get like a bigger circumference, because I got a lot to do here. This is not working. Fuck it. I'm just going to use a brush. Fuck! This is the most terrible painting in the world. Oh my god. I mean, nah. How many of you make weird faces when you paint? I know I do. It's the most unflattering video I've ever made. Or maybe that was a meatball one. I don't know. All my videos have been really unflattering lately. I feel like it's not a bad painting if you knew what it was. Because, like, right now, if I didn't tell you what it was, what would you think it is? You know what I mean? Hooray! Baby, ride with me.
Baby, ride with me. Relax your mind, take your time with me.
Pretty sure my grandmother's gonna hate this fucking photo of this painting. Oh my god, I just want to burp. It's like right there. Oh, it's there. That's good. That's nice. Ugh. My mom said that we should have a burping contest with me and her, and I'll film it and put it up on my channel. What do you guys think? Comment down below! If you're seeing this before Christmas Eve, if it posts before Christmas Eve is when me and my family do stuff. And if I post this video before then and you so happen to watch it, Nana, and you see how awful this painting is, and you tell me you don't want it, I'm going to disown you. Ta-da! This is supposed to be a dog! Alright, I'm going to put this over to the side and maybe have a couple more bites of this burrito. Honestly, though, I think I'm only going to be able to have like one more bite of this burrito. I'm sorry. Alright, my dudes. I'm going to give it one last bite, and then that's all she wrote. Oh.